In this video, I'll show you how to resize an icon in Figma. Start by opening Figma and selecting the file that contains the icon you want to resize. Once your design is open, click on the icon to select it. To resize the icon, look for the corner handles around it. Click and drag any corner inward or outward to make it smaller or larger. To keep the icon's proportions the same and avoid distortion, hold the Shift key while dragging from the corner. You can also resize the icon using the right-hand panel. Simply adjust the width or height values and make sure the lock icon is enabled so both dimensions scale evenly. If your icon is inside a frame or group, you may need to double-click to select the icon layer before resizing. Once you're happy with the size, release the mouse or press Enter to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully resized an icon in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.